In this video we will solve a string problem. Okay, so basically here we have given one string a 3 times, b 2 times, c 1 time. So here we have to print character along with the count. Okay, so here we will see the output. In output we are going to print character along with the count. Character a is present 3 times, then a 3, b present 2 times, then b 2, c present 1 time, then c 1, d present 2 times, then d 2, e present 1 time, then e1, f present 3 times, then f3. Okay, so basically this is the output we have to print. So here we have given one string. Okay, so we will use here dictionary method. Okay, we will make one count dictionary which will store the count of each character. Okay, now we will iterate in the given string for char in the string. Now we will check this character already present in the string or not. Okay, if the character already present in s, okay, then we will increase the count. Okay, count of that character equal to count of that character plus 1. Okay, if it is already present, then increase by 1, else count equal to 1, else count of that character equal to 1. Okay, now we will create one result string. Okay, in this we are storing our result. Let's see, result equal to empty string. Initially it will be empty. Okay, and now we will make one temporary string. In this we will check it is printed or not. So let's see, string printed. We will make a temporary string. Okay, string printed. So now again we will iterate in the given string for char in s. If the character, if that character not in string printed, if it is not in string printed, then we will store that character in our result. Okay, result equal to result plus that character and count of that character, but the count should be in string format. Okay, then we have to convert this in string format and then count of that character. Okay, and now in string printed we will add that character. String printed equal to string printed plus that character. Okay, and now we will go out of the loop and print the result. Okay, now we will print the result and see. Now we will print the result. So here you can see in this a is given a1 2 3 and at last also given one a. So a is 4, so it should print a4 b2 c1 d2 e1 f3. Okay, let's see, we are running this code. Okay, so now it is giving a4 b2 c1 d2 e1 f3. So yeah, so this is working fine. I hope you got this. Thank you.